Feels good to be back. Thank you to the homies at Cycletech, though. They checked all my stuff. They checked my valves. Did a couple other things for me. And she back. So originally I gave it to them because there was a gnarly ass rattle. And I knew what now I know what the rattle is, and most definitely was one of those dumbass. So between 2 and 3, you have your little piece, and that little piece fucking broke or cracked. So thank God I know how to weld and fabricate, because I do it for a living, that I can fix that. So shout out to Dave, Martin, and Nick over at Cycletech. You guys need anything, hit them up.